This spinning bottle also helps us understand Newton's third law of motion. You need old plastic bottles, some straws, M-seal and a bit of thread. Make 2 holes in 2 opposite ends of the bottle near the bottom. Take pieces of straw and tight fit them in these holes. Then take M-seal and apply it very tightly on both the ends to prevent any leakage. Ensure that both the straws are cut at an angle of 45 degrees and they are in opposing directions. This is very important. Let the M-seal dry for a little while. Then take a piece of thread and tie it to the mouth of the bottle. Then close the 2 bottom holes with your hands and fill the bottle with water. Once it's completely filled with water, lift the bottle with the help of the thread. You will be surprised that water gushes from the 2 bottom holes and your bottle keeps spinning very fast. Initially it spins very fast, but as the level in the bottle decreases, the speed becomes slower and slower, and in the end the bottle comes to a stop or a halt. You can fill the bottle once again with water. This time enjoy the top view. The water ejects from the 2 holes and gives the bottle a spin. This is also like Newton's third law, that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This is used in rockets, and this you can very well see in this bottle. This costs very little money and it is fun to spin this bottle. Here you can see this close-up view. So go collect a bottle and have great fun with it. Enjoy!